If you want to change the message tone on Google Pixel 11, then we can do two things. The first thing that we can do is we can go to Settings and choose Sound and Vibration. And then in here we can find the notification option. In here you can change the notification sound, which includes, for example, a new message. So if you receive a new message, it plays the notification sound, and this is where we can change the notification sound. You can choose any of these categories, you can go through this list, and you can try to find whichever sound you want to use for notifications when you receive new notifications on your phone. And if you make a change over here, tap on Save in the upper right corner. Now, if instead of changing the notification sound for all notifications, you just want to change specifically the sound for new notifications, for new messages, then in that case you want to go to Notifications option in here. Then we're gonna choose App Notifications. You might need to switch from most recent to all apps, and then here search for the Messages app. There we go. Now tap on Show Unused Categories in order to find Default Settings, and tap on the Default Settings to find Incoming Messages. Now tap on Incoming Messages, and here we have the Sound option. So now we can choose a sound that is going to be played when you receive a new message in the Messages app from anyone. So, of course, here we can go through this list again, we can choose any sound and tap on Save just like before. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.